Today, I'm teaching you how to log into your Wells Fargo online banking account. So this is more for beginners. If you just got your card, what you're gonna have to do is basically look at the back of the card. It'll lead you to a website and you try logging in through that. And if you're not able to, just call the number on the back and let them go through that entire process. But let's assume you already have an online banking account or you're not sure and you want to give it a shot. This is how you do it. Go ahead and go to Google and type in Wells Fargo, which will lead you to this page. Then obviously, there could be a different sponsored. Go ahead and scroll down and click Wells Fargo Bank right over here and click that. That's going to lead you to their website and then hit sign on and it'll ask you for your username and password. Username is usually set by you. So if you haven't set one of these up, maybe even check the email that you applied to Wells Fargo with. And on the email, it might give you a link to actually set up your username and password. Then once you've done that, put in your username, as you can see here. I've blurred it currently, and then put in your password and hit sign on. This will then give you access to your online banking account. If this was helpful, consider subscribing.